about the internal compromises. So I can put everybody's mind at ease about that. Yes, we are very strict on what happens internally, what happens to our staff, what are they allowed to access, what are they not allowed to access, and we can see anything that happens. Staff believe it's only there for 5 years, but we can go back on our system and the tools that we use, we can go back. I got something from that system of 1989 the other day, staff information that accessed an account. So to further put your mind at ease, the bank, when we store information, so we are not allowed to store both your username and your password. We never have sight of any password. So for internet banking, yes, we do have your user details, so your username will be there, but it's never stored with a password. So even if your account is compromised inside the bank, nobody inside the bank has the information to link the two of it together, like your password and your username. We're not allowed to do that. We don't do that because it's also a massive security risk for the bank. If we get hacked and all of that gets stolen, big problems. So yes, that's the one thing. Secondly, we have been working, maybe let me ask you a question. How many times during a day when you access a building, you go to the hospital, do you provide all your personal details? Your name, your number, your cell phone number, your ID. You write that down there on a piece of paper. It's available, it's there. You signed in at the security, that paper lies there. That person has no control over it. It's as easy as I walk past there, I take a photo, I've got names, ID numbers, cell phone numbers of 50 people that access that building that day. We have seen when we worked with sometimes we work very closely with the police because obviously when there's syndicates involved, we do work with them. We've seen the other day they confiscated a notebook from one of the scammers, arrested him, got that book. That book contained notes and it had everything of people, from their name to their ID number to their banking credentials and it's various banks. It's us, it's Bank Windhoek, it's Standard Bank, it's Nedbank, everybody. Let's say everybody. The only bank that wasn't on there, but they're not trading yet, is Access Bank. So yeah, good on them. But it had everything.